Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 290L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 105ps low-roof van. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 90,288. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, will just about start after a while, will need at least one injector replacing. J is fine and sounds good. It's just misfiring and diesel knocking on idle with black smoke. Definitely just an injector issue. Star-struck gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 company keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 8,000.